the knowledge of medicinal herbs, the landscape of wellness reverbs, the hope for humans' healthy future. Explore the healing tradition of nature as Aarogya is awaiting you at the Statue of Unity. Discover a medicinal garden in a human body. Aushadh Manav it is. Plants it embodies. Traverse through its 3D resting posture. Spread on 17 acres of land. Herbs it fosters. Along the veins and arteries like walkways, on the appendages and the organs as pathways. Explore about the medicinal herbs, showing the body ailments it curbs. From healing therapies to the whole cure, the ancient practices give wellness pure. These plants are the benefactors of humanity, keeping the wellness together and its sanity. Indulge in the principles of holistic welfare, where Ayurveda, Yoga and Panch Karma care. Visit the Aarogya Sathigiri Wellness Center, where the ancient healthcare practices it renders. Take the voyage to the healing herbs. Feel pride in the country's plantation exurbs. An experience worth exploring it brings, where the nature's wealth is the greens. Come to the paradise of natural healers, as Aarogya is awaiting you at the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.